Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to log sleep on Flo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flo application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next one is where exactly can you get the Flo app? You can get it on Apple Store or you can get it on Google Play Store, depending on the device that you use. Now, once you get into the application in the search bar, go ahead and type Flo app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download the app. Once you download it, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either create an account or log in using an existing account. Choose any of them and sign in. So once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flo app. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to log sleep on Flo app. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your avatar icon. So go ahead and click on your avatar icon, then it takes you to this window where you have graphs and reports, you have cycle and ovulation, you have settings, and of course you have access code, and you have reminders, and you have help. So go ahead and click on reminders. Now once you click on reminders, it takes you here. Now you have a couple of options, a couple of categories. You have the secret chat category, you have content, you have cycle, you have medication and contraception, you have ad appeal, and you have lifestyle. So head over to lifestyle, and under lifestyle category you have log weight, log sleep, drink water, log temperature. So you're going to have to click on log sleep because it's set to off. And once you click on log sleep, you're going to have to toggle this on just right next to log sleep. And once you do that, you're going to have to set your reminder time. When exactly do you need to sleep? So click on that and set the time. Let's say I need to sleep at 11 a.m. I'm going to set that to 11 a.m. and just click on OK. And after doing that, this says text of reminder. Now your text of reminder is don't forget to log tonight's sleep duration. Now you can change this to what do you want. Just want to do something like harsh, like sleep now. So that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you necessarily do not have to click on any save button because that has already been set. So just go ahead and go back. You can come over to log sleep again and you see that your settings are automatically saved. So you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.